morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Smakers News. I am Gagas Cindra, your news anchor today. At this time, we will discuss about unveiling powerful voice engine. OpenAI recently revealed its new voice engine, an advanced AI tool that can generate realistic speech from just a 50-second audio sample. This startup already famous for ChatGPT and DALL-E. Developed this technology with a wide range of use in mind, from helping children with reading to restoring the voices of concerned patients who have lost their. OpenAI has tested the software in numerous scenarios, showing its potential to revolutionize how AI interacts with voice-based applications. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, expressed optimism about the technology's potential. However, while the technology holds promise, OpenAI is also aware of the risks. Altman added, "We must ensure that such powerful tools are used ethically and responsibly, especially in an election year." And that many have raised concern about misuse, particularly in the realm of deepfakes, AI-generated content that imitates real voice without authorization. Social media was quick to highlight these risks. Such concerns are not without precedent. Earlier this year, the 2024 election season saw its first example of AI abuse when a robocall in New Hampshire mimicked President Joe Biden's voice. This act later admitted to be an AI-generated prank commissioned by Democratic Operative, underscored how easily synthetic voice can be misused. The incident was alarming enough to prompt the Federal Communication Commission, or FCC, to unanimously ban unsolicited AI-generated robocalls. OpenAI addressed these risks in blog posts, stating that they are taking a caution and informed approach to a broader release due to the potential for synthetic voice misuse. The company is collaborating with global partners in government, media, entertainment, and civil society to gather feedback and insight on how to responsibly deploy this technology. They also propose solutions such as a video authentication experience, where the original speaker must give consent before their voice can be used by the system. OpenAI, aware of these challenges, has refrained from a full release of voice engine. They plan to continue small-scale testing and maintain discussion with industry experts to determine the safest way forward. As Altman concluded, it's about finding the right balance between innovation and responsibility. We have to ensure this technology serves humanity in a positive and transparent way. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you later.